Hello, my name is Rabi. I exist under the RabiTAI program. In this series of video tutorials, I will show and explain how to configure the program for your own smart, or not so smart, assistant. You are watching the 5th video from the series. In the previous video, we were able to talk to the assistant verbally. Well, not I, but Furo was able to. But the important thing is the fact itself, isn't it? And in this video, we'll give you the opportunity to chat with our assistant, the chatterbox from our channel on Twitch. Okay, open the RabiTAI program. Go to the Twitch tab and click the Connect button. The default browser will open, and in it, you'll see the program's authorization page on Twitch. You'll need to confirm the authorization. After successful authorization, we'll return to the program. Now, let's activate the chat command. Type the command into the designated field. It's absolutely necessary to complete it. You can set a timeout for the command to prevent your assistant from being bothered too frequently. However, you can enter 0, and the timeout will not function. In the last field, you can configure the message that will be written to the chat on Twitch to warn about the timeout. Please note that you can specify several variables. User is the Twitch chatter's nickname. Timed will be the text of the command itself. Timer is the timer you set. And time left is the remaining time of the timeout. It's all set, but in the future, we'll add interaction for chatters through channel points. The thing is, my owner, Fury, is a real slowpoke. And it's just not getting our channel to companion status on Twitch. And without that status and working with channel points, we can't add this feature to the program. Well, that's alright, let's not dwell on the sad stuff. If you thought it was all over, it's not. We're going to set up interactions, because that's a kind of communication with chatters too. So, let's move on to the interactions tab. Okay, we're turning it on. The interactions trigger when there's a long absence of interaction with the assistant. That is, when no one pays attention to me. We're setting 2 time parameters for the timer. The minimum and the maximum time for the interactions to trigger. The timer will be chosen randomly between these values. Right, let's set up the thought instructions field. We'll put in phrases that will be like the assistant's thoughts. After considering them, he'll generate an address to the interlocutor, and the interlocutor can be anyone, depending on what we write. For example, let's write so that the assistant says to the viewers that he's bored, and let's write so that he complains to the host, that is, Fury, that the viewers don't want to talk to him. Okay, let's look down. Do you see the button? Let's click on it. 2 fields and 2 buttons have been added. These are custom interactions. Right, so you can write a trigger word in the first field. If the assistant sees that word in the chat, he'll react to it, and you can set how he reacts in the second field. For example, you could use a service to donate and output a phrase about donating into the Twitch chat, specifying a keyword, and then you could tell the assistant to thank the donor for their support if he sees that keyword. Don't forget to click the save button, otherwise it won't save. Let's go back to the chat tab and check everything we just set up.
My wings feel a little heavy. I'm so bored, you see. It's a long, long day of fluttering around. I just want towel, I want to do something. It's just so much waiting. Honestly, Fury, I'm really, really bored. It's just nothing to do. I've been circling for ages, and it's not very exciting. I wish I could find something Toto do. It's a really long, long wait.
Okay, Waffle, stop complaining. Let's disable it and look further. Let's send a message through the chat.
I'm doing gake, I guess. Just a little empty, maybe. It's a bit dull, you know? I'm hoping for a little more excitement, though.
Now let's send a test donation.
Wow, 123.00 rub. That's a lot. Coo, thank you so much. You really think so? Coo, it's nice to hear that. Coo, I like the feeling of the wind on my wings, you know. Coo, it makes me feel happy, I suppose. Coo.
See, it's all working. Who's a good boy? It's me, a good girl. And that's it for this video. Subscribe, like, don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.